All right, this is the percent unit lesson 6 discount. The homework that goes along with this is page 11 and 12. Okay, I want you to pause the video and do this problem. All right, the graph below shows the prices at which Joanna sells tomatoes according to their weight. Which rate shows the price at which Joanna sells tomatoes? Look, we're doing price per pound. Now, this graph is proportional. So, the unit rate or price per pound could be found at X is 1. However, if I go up to 1, I cannot go across here and tell what the price is going to be. I know it's going to be less than $2. So, what do? I find a major intersection. This point right here. This is 5, 6. The ordered pair, 5, 6. How do I find my unit rate K? It's Y divided by X. So remember, this is X, Y. So it'll be 6 divided by 5. And when I do 6 divided by 5, I get $1.20 per pound, which is, all right, we are on page 17 in your notes. Now, this is somewhat of a review lesson because we've been doing the tax problem in class, and this is the discount. Okay, so I want you to skip ahead. I'm going to show you 2 ways to do this problem. It says, each month, 10% is taken off the price of the season pass. Find the discounted price for August by completing the fillings below. Well, August is going to be 10% less than July. So, price in July is $52.20. 10% of that, so 0.10. And if I multiply that, I will get $5.22. That's the amount of our discount. So, to find the new price, I take my July price and I subtract the discount, and I end up with $46.98. Now, that is the way we've been doing it all along. Find the amount of the discount and subtract it. There is a shortcut. Think about this. If it's 10% off, what we're doing here, the math that we did, we found 10% and subtracted. But think about it. If you are saving 10%, aren't you spending 90%? So, instead of finding the amount that you're saving and subtracting, why don't we do it a shortcut way? Take 522 or 52.20. And we're going to spend 90% of it, so times 0.90. And you will go directly to 46.98. So you can do the same thing in one step. I don't care which way you do it. I think this way is quicker and more efficient. All right. Let's look at this example. A DVD costs $22. This week is on sale for 25% off the original price. What is the sale price? I'm going to do it 2 ways. So method one is where we're going to find the discount and then subtract it. So the original price is 22. It is 25% off. So 25% of 22, I'm going to multiply by 0.25. And when I do that, I get $5.50. That's my discount. To find my sale price, I need to do 22 minus $5.50, and I end up with $16.50. That's my sale price. That's method one. That's where you find the discount and then subtract. Method two. Now, think about this. If you are saving 25%, saving 25%, doesn't that mean you are spending 75%? Because it has to be 100%. So let's do 22 times 0.75. because we want to find out what 75% of that is. And that takes me directly to $16.50, which is my sale price. Again, method 2, way quicker. All right, let's do this one. A shirt is regularly priced at $42. It is on sale for 15% off. What is the sale price? Well, let's do it by method 2. It's quicker. If we are saving 15%, does that mean we are spending 85%? 100 minus 15 is 85. So 42 times 0.85 gives me $12. This isn't right. I'm looking at the wrong problem here. 42 times 0.85 is $35.70. That's our sale price. All right, let's do this one. A boogie board that has a regular price of $69 is on sale for 35% off. What is the sale price with the tax? All right, so let's do the amount of discount. So 69 times 0.35 gives you $24.15. That's your discount. How do we find the sale price? So 69 minus 24.15 is $44.85. Now, how do we need to find the tax. So our tax is 7%. So $44.85, because that's our sale price, times 0.07 gives me $3.14. That's your tax. So our total sale price will be $44.85 plus the tax. $3.14 gives you $47.99. Now, you could have done method 2. This is method 1 where you found the discount and subtract. I could have done, to get the sale price right away, I could have done 69 times. If we are saving 35%, that means we are spending 65. So times 0.65. That'll take me right to the $44.85 sale price. And then I can find my tax on that. All right. Now, if you are watching this video and you are in the regular pre-algebra, your lesson will stop at this point. In the advanced, it continues. A cell phone is on sale for 30% off. If the sale price is $239.89, what is the original? Now, think about this. This is the sale price. I am going to do this by setting up a percent proportion. Percent proportion, remember, percent over 100 equals part over whole. Now, this is the tricky part. The cell phone is on sale for 30% off. So if you are saving 30%, aren't you spending 70%? So, doesn't this sale price right here represent 70%? So, my percent is 70 over 100 equals the part. Isn't the sale price the part? So, $239.89 out of the whole is the original. We don't know what that is. So, we are going to cross multiply. Think about what we just set up. This number right here, $239.89, represents 70% of the final, or the original. The original is 100%. Okay, so cross multiply. 70x equals 23,989. Divide both sides by 70. And you end up with x is 342.70. Questions?